Hello guys, today we play a plane crash game. Old ass game by the way. Oh look on it. I missed my flight. Guy here. I'm first. I'm first. Audio getting that plane. I'm gonna miss my flight. Miss my flight to North Korea. Please, bro. Please don't leave. Please don't leave. Thank you. You know what? Nah. Since I'm a broke ass bitch, my seat is all the way right here with this guy, like broke. He's broke like me, guys. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! You know? I'll be right here. Yep. Nope. Yes. All good. What are they yapping about? Okay. So, no, I am surviving. No, I am living, but I am dead. We know that, buddy. This plane is kind of slow, bro. Kind of slow, bro. Sounds so like me. Oh, yeah. I need to go to the bathroom. Ooh. Let me get to the bathroom real quick. Oh yes. Okay, time to go. Back. If this plane crashes, never mind. Nothing bad is gonna happen anyways. A flight to North Korea. Not South Korea. The North. North Korea. Stop. I knew it. No monkeys. What you talking about? No monkeys, bro. Talking about, bro? Like, shut up. Yo, why me, bro? Why me? This plane's gonna crash, bro. You're big, bro. You big asses. Damn, I didn't think you were that big. You big ass tip over the plane, bro. They can't carry you doing over plane ass life, boy. Yo, damn. I'm still alive. And never mind. What happened? Okay. Look, all these people died. I was still okay. More people died. Good. A minute, 30 seconds. Look at this. Look at it. Yeah, I don't care. Yeah, I don't care. When is this going to start? Hello, dog man. Look. Hello, dog man. Hello. Making a video right now. What the? He got a little kid. Put it in front, but never mind. Got capybara, Kirby, and we got Black Fox, Blaxer, or Black Foxy. I don't know, man. Since you know, I have a good jawline. Look, the jawline is right there. I have a bomb. Get this terrorist out of my face, bro. Get out. Get out. Get out. Little boy, love 49. We got this. Emo? I don't know he's emo. Okay, let's go on the flight. Me first, me first, me first. Me first, me first. I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich. No, big, you big gay, you big gay lesbian. Baby, say hello. You big gay ass, bitch ass, ugly looking ass. Or your ass. Oh. Oh, me. Aha. Miss your chance, boy. Miss your chance. Miss your chance. Pilot. Pilot. Got you wrong, bro. We got you wrong in the plane. I thought nothing happens. Hello, gentlemen. Look, I'm with Capybara right here. Yo, say hi, boy. Say hi. Dang, got the blackest eyes. We got Black Foxy and we got. Oh, look at Capybara. Nah, what is he trying to say? Okay. We're not gonna crash. If we crash, I don't know, man. I'm gonna survive. Just look at me. I am built like a tank. I can easily survive the plane crash. What is Black Foxy doing? Okay, anyways. Bro, let's see who's in front. Okay, we got these people in front. You got the big back and we got the big back like right here. We got the gay boy over here. Whatever, Ronaldo. Yeah, Ronaldo's to go. We got stuff cool boy, autistic kid. We got autistic kid here. We got cool dog over here. Looks like autistic kid and obese man are talking. Okay, King Von, and we have gay boy right there, and the pilot. And we got even gayer boy right here. What did he say? No. Black Foxy, and we have. I don't know who that is, anyways. The Capybara is going to the bathroom. Wait, who? Of course, bro. Of course. You're big behind is literally weighing the whole plane down. I'm surviving. I am surviving. Guess I survived. Damn. It looks like Black Foxy did have a bomb. Well, at least I survived. Y'all go die right now. Just kidding. Go die on Roblox, guys. On Roblox. Not in real life. Get gay boy out of here, okay? Yeah, I survived. He had the bomb. I don't know why he had the bomb. That was just... I almost died, guys. But this little boy reading something. What's today? Yeah, all of you died with the bomb. Yeah, I didn't. Foxy had a bomb, but he was too late. But Foxy had a bomb, but at least he did a bomb me. Look, it's the emo crew. Hello, emo guys. They got both chicken, bro. How you get the chicken? How do you get the chicken, bro? I don't think you gotta buy the thing. Huh? Okay. Where do you get the chicken? Okay. Where do you get the chicken? Or probably friends, bro. Time for my flight and let's go. I'm the first one. No. No, gay boy. No. No. No, gay boy. No. Why the fake Mr. B holla be here? Bro, what are you doing? Stop sucking his dick, bro. They're fucking each other. Nah, he's sucking his dick. Nah, bro. We don't want to see that, bro. Too big? What you mean too big? But that's kind of. No, let's look at him again. What you mean too big? Hello, my emo guy. No, too big. Look, these are the 3 gay boys. Actually, yo, why he look at him like that? I know why his mouth's open. He just sucked that bitch's dick. He just sucked the guy's dick. Ain't no, don't do it. Don't. Yes, fake Mr. Beast, don't do it. Bro, you're so gay. I am not no big bag. Shut your ass up with your emo ass, bro. I know you don't. I know you are the depressed ass emo boy, bro. Shut your ass up. You're ugly. Shut up, boy. Bro. Okay. I might be a big bag, but at least I'm not like them over here. At least I'm not like them right here. Wait. At least I'm not like these 3. Don't tell me you're gonna do it again, bro. Why is he looking at him like that? It's kind of weird. Come on. He was just here. They all died. Oh, they all died. Damn. It wasn't me who did it. I survived. The 3 gay boys just got cut. But who cares? At least I made it, bro. At least I made it. /E dance. Okay, I'm relaxing. You're late. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, I'm the boss here, big ass. Big boss. Can't believe that guy said too big. That's crazy right there. Saying that, bro, too big. Have to go. I'm gonna miss my flight. Give me the chicken. Give me the chicken, boy. What funny sounds? Is that the golden cheeseburger? Look, give me that.
Can I have a cheeseburger, please?
Just a regular cheeseburger?
Can I have a cheeseburger, please? Cheeseburger. Can I have a cheeseburger? Cheeseburger. Can I have a cheeseburger?
Yeah, this guy should call me a big bag. Yeah, take this, okay, boy. Bubble gum. Give me that, boy. Gonna miss my flight. Wait, we got a married couple right here. They are married. Never mind. I should. You got kind of blood. Can you explain why you got blood? Buzz Lightyear. Oh my god, I love my boy Buzz Lightyear. Oh my god, such a big fan. We got the press boy over here. He might be guilty, guys. He might be guilty. Okay, I'm gonna send with the gay boys right here. I swear, did they say it's too big? I'm actually gonna cry. What are they doing? Nah. Don't even get close to me, bro. I hate you. Nah. Don't get close to me. You know what? I'll be right here. Eating my chest burger. What is he doing to him? You should guys get fucking reported, bro. You guys are doing the most weirdest thing ever. I know he said that tastes good. I know he said his semen tastes good. No, actually let me follow him. What are they doing? Nah, even the evil boys are crazy. Not me, bro. Not me, bro. Nah, I'm literally, he's grabbing his horns and doing it to him. Oh, yes. This is pretty weird, bro. Is he doing it to me? Oh, nah. Oh, I'm in the front. Lightning strike. Lightning strike. Lightning strike. Lightning strike, guys. Don't. I seriously, this guy. You saw what they doing? Drake's 8. Oh my god, bro. They're gay. You saw that? Drake's what? Don't. Nah, he got tased. We're crashing. My chicken, my chicken, my chicken, my chicken. We survive, we survive. We survive, we survive. Okay, guys. I'm gonna end the video here. Come on, ending the video. You're gonna guys hear that.